Sorry about that. Hello guys. I'm very sorry for the delay just now. I just restarted my computer, and then let me just try to explain. So as I mentioned, that the ImageJ can be used for quantitative analysis as well. And so we're going to use a image from the literature to do the practice. So I have already opened this panel is the ImageJ. Yeah, and then what you need to do is that you will need to drag the image that I share with you. This one is from the literature that shows different concentration of the strip. So what you need to do is to drag this image into ImageJ, and then it will open this. The detailed procedure is actually in the lab menu. I have updated this a little bit with more information about the concentration of that image. So what you can see is that from this part, quantitative analysis with ImageJ. So all the process is here. And this is the image, and this is some screenshot. And down here, I provide a new table that is for the different concentration from that picture. So in that picture, there are 8 strips, but the last strip of the number 8 is for the blank solution. So what you need to do is to just analysis from 1 to 7. Okay, so what you need to do is that in ImageJ, just go to image. I think it's not in image. Let's see. So it's actually in, yeah, image, color, and split channel. So let's go to image. And then is there a channel, color? Yeah, color and a split channel. Okay. So once you click that, this image will be split into 3 images. So there'll be red channel, show here, blue channel, and then it's green channel. So what you need to use is to use the green channel. So you can just close the other and then just leave the green channel. The reason is that because our picture is red, and so if we use green channel, it will give us the highest sensitivity. So that's why we use green channel. Okay, after done that, you then use the line, straight line icon. So you just click that, and then you can start with the first strip, just draw a line, cross both control line and test line. Okay, and then on the analysis, and then you go to profile, plot profile. So this is the profile of your image. So the left one is a control and the right one is the test line. So we will be ignoring the control line. We will only analysis the test line. Okay, so we need to get the height of the test line. So what you need to do is that you will first get a value. So if you see I just move the cross, and then down here there will be X and Y that's changing, the number will change. So yeah, you see. And then if you just put your cross on the peak of the test line, you will see the Y position. So for example, here it shows 142.38. So that's the value of this peak. Okay, so then what you can do is that just to write down this value. So I got here my first line is around 142. Okay, but that's not enough. You need to get the background signal. So your background means that where this in the image, where this outside area located. Okay, so we will need to get here. So say you just put your cross in a like smooth area and then read this value, which is now on 238. So I just write down 238 here. Okay, and then the peak intensity is actually this background signal minus your peak value of the test line. So you need to get this, and then you do all the thing for all the from number 1 to number 7, and then you will use the peak intensity of the test line, use this one, and then with the analyzed concentration, and then draw a line, put the curve in Excel. Okay, I'll show you one thing that I'm doing here. So this is like the 2 value I got from the ImageJ, and then this is the like B minus A that I got. And then what I'm doing is that I will plot this figure. Okay, and then what you need to pay attention is that using in this figure, you will need to show, so make sure you show the X value in log scale. Okay, so you see what I got here, the X value is log scale. And then when I do the actual fitting, I'm also use the log scale for fitting. So it sort of gets a like a linear relationship. I think there's something like a abnormal, just a couple of the points, but the trend is like linear. So give it a go to see how it goes with this one, and then let us know if you have any questions. Okay.